Hey, this is Rosa, RCG Creations. How are you? I got another craft haul. This one is from Jen Evers, and she shipped it in a medium flat box. She uses priority mail, so everything gets done quickly. And let's see the goodies. Okay, first one here is Desiree one metal die. It says thank you so much, but isn't that gorgeous? And here's what the die looks like. Trying to angle that so the glare doesn't get there. Now I thought this was so cute. It's a little house mouse, but isn't that gorgeous? See the little mice? I just love house mouse. And this one's called Cling Kitten on the Keys. And there's information in case you want to check it out for yourself. This one's another little house mouse. And it's called Cling Dragonfly Ride. Isn't that gorgeous? So cute. Here is a Close to My Heart stamp set. I'm going to go ahead and take it out so you can see better. This one's called Pinwheel Stamp of the Month. Here it is, number S1305 if you want to go order, because I know that a lot of people do it. Sellers sell it, and other people get rid of their stash, but all the little pinwheels, those are cute. I have a pinwheel maker, but I want to use the stamps to put on the pinwheels, is why I got that, because I have the maker. Now this one's called Joy Crafts. It's at the farm clear stamps, made in China. Here's the information. I don't know anything about this company. I'm totally brand new to them. I think this is something new that Jen got, but I'm not really for sure. But anyway, that's the information, and there's the, I'm just showing you the stamps, and then the packaging item. But aren't those cute? I'm going to do some little farm animals and critters. I'm going to do a little barn, and I figured those were really cute to stamp on there. And here's the same thing, but a different set of animals. And okay, yeah, this is item number 444. This is item number 445. It's on the back here for those if you want to check out their website. I'm trying to see, where is their website? It's called J Crafts. You know what, I can't read it. I have cataracts and I'm going to get surgery in January, but anything that's small, fine print, I can't read. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I got my magnifying glass here. Let's see if I can. Sometimes this helps and sometimes it doesn't. Okay, sorry, it's not going to help. I'm just going to show y'all and give you a little bit of time. And I'm hoping the glare doesn't get to it, so you can stop and pause the video, and you can look it up. But those are cute, aren't they? This one is called Farm Meadow Premium Collection Clear Stamps, and this is from Craft Consortium, which is the same one I did on that other my last video. This is called Farm Meadow, and there's a little tractor, the water bucket, some garden tools, boots, chickies, and there's a whole thing. I would like to get the one with the little bale stacks, so I may check them out. And here is their information, so you can check them out. Go to their website. Here is Darcy in embossing stamps. These are a bunch of light bulbs. I've got an idea, but I'm not going to tell you about it yet, because I'm going to see if it works. And this is called Light Bulbs Background. And there's the item information on that. This one's called Tree Trunks. I think I have that, but I'm not really for sure. But these were at very, very inexpensive prices, because Jen had a big sale on them. And I can't remember how much I paid for it. I think they were $1, but I could be totally wrong. But check out her website. see. This one's called Thanks. And then there's a sample of what the embossing folder looks like there. There's another house mouse. I love house mouse. This one's Cling Popcorn Birthday. But isn't that the cutest little one? I think I'm going to do a set of videos with nothing but house mouse. Oh, this is a stencil. This is from the craftersworkshop.com. There's their information on it. This is Blazer Designs. It's a 6x6 stencil, but it's all a different film like we used to do in the olden days with a bunch of numbers and stuff. But I have an idea of something I want to do, but I'm not going to tell you about it. You'll have to wait until my next video, or another video when I get it done. But I was waiting for this because I got something else that I'm going to show you. And I got some more of these. You know me and my stencils. I just love these stencils. This is from Fantasy Collection from Studio Light. And they're this is the rest of that set that I had gotten another video craft haul. And this is all 4. Yeah, they're exactly the same. So this is all 4 of the stencils. I like them because they're so big. So you can use the whole thing on the 12 by 12 on your scrapbook pages, or you can do it on your card, just use parts of it. And here's another one. This one is from Brutus Monroe, Premium Cardstock, 20 sheets, 80 pound. And this is blue, but isn't that I gotta open this up because you're gonna see this. This blue is fantastic. And this is blue, and I'm kind of curious. I'm going to rip part of it. Okay, look. It's got a blue core. So you can rip it, and it stays blue. So let me put this on the front so I know that I did that. Because I always pull the paper from the back. Isn't that a gorgeous color? He doesn't have the color on here. It's just Brutus Monroe Premium Cardstock, 20 sheets, 80 pound of cardstock. And then this one is the Hero Hues Creative Paper Crafting from Hero Arts. And this is watercolor paper because y'all see my other videos. I'm dabbling in watercolor and I'm actually liking it. This one is from Stamper's Journey. It's called Rock Candy. But isn't that the prettiest little gray? I need a bunch of gray, especially with the holidays coming. And here's orange, and this doesn't have a name. I think this is just something that Shoe Jam put together, but I really don't know. There's no name to it. But it was only $8 for this package. And I don't know. It's probably like 25 sheets. And here is some more of the sticky specks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm loaded down and I don't need any more sticky specks. But this is it's 4 A4 sheets with thousands of sticky specks. It's double-sided adhesive. It works with any shape and manageable, no waste, no mistakes. It's repositional and it's acid-free, so it'll be good for your scrapbookers. And there's the price of each one. So that's not bad. And then, oops, my pile is falling over. I love this little stencil. I already used this stencil. It's green, but I have already used it. And it is... Oh, you know what? This one, no, I haven't used it. She used it in one of her videos, I think, because you can tell it's been colored. It's been used. TCW337S is the model number. And this is from www.thecraftersworkshop.com. So I know you're not going to be able to see this on the video. But on the bottom there corner is the website information. But it's scenery, tree sceneries. And then you can turn it, I think you can turn it upside down. But anyway, I need to do a sample of that. And I think I'll do that on my next video. And then this is deco foil for fabric and paper. What color is this? Does it say the color? Oh yeah, this is called Silver Shattered Glass. Isn't that gorgeous? That's going to be really good with the holidays. I'm thinking of doing these for some snowflakes, for some winter cards, and maybe some winter scrapbook pages. But that's it. That's the end of my craft haul for this time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like, share, and comment, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye. Hey, I'm back. I wanted to show you this item here. That's Desiree. It's called Thank You So Much, and that's what the die right there looks like. Here's a sample of it, and then that's one of their little samples of what they did with their card, and that's the actual die right there. But what I did is I created this card. I went ahead and made an envelope to match it. This is not mulberry paper, but I don't know for sure what it is, but it is textured. It's a lot thicker than mulberry paper, so that's how come I know it's not mulberry paper, but it's pretty similar to it. And isn't that a gorgeous texture that they did on that? But anyway, I bought it years ago. I don't know where. It's in a roll. See here? It's in a big roll right here. But I can't remember if I bought it in a box store or if I bought it at the Facebook pages from like Deb's Deals, and that, or I could have bought it from Jennifer's at Quality Crafts. I just don't know. I know I've had it for a couple of years now. Okay, but anyway, this is the card that I created. So it's I cut out these little flowers right here, and I put some little rhinestones in the center, and I used since I have the Gemini, the big Gemini, and to save on time, I like to buy 2 sets of everything. So this one is the Spellbinders. There's what it looks like. It's called the Spellbinders Blooms 1. And you get the 3 dies. And of course I have the 2 sets of it. So I'm able to do everything at one pass because I have that 8.5 by 11 in plate on that big Gemini. And then I use the leaves of this one called Create an Iris. So I used the little leaves for the leaves on here because this other one didn't have it, for the Spellbinders die on that one. And then I inked, I used just white, Stampin' Up. It's called Stampin' Up White Whisper, white for the lettering. And I just use, this is actually just paper. This yellow, it's just paper. It's craft paper. It's actually copy paper, but you know, you can buy the copy paper like at pretty much anywhere. Any box store, like Staples, stuff like that, Office Depot, things like that. And I buy that because I like to make my own. Sometimes I want paper, I don't want cardstock. So, and I made the little green leaves, and you can see how the impression is in there. And then that's the front of the card. And then that's, you open it up, and it says, "You inspire me." And there's another one, but I did this one out of that orange paper. And then there's the actual die cut right there. It says, "Thank you so much." So basically it's a happy birthday, you inspire me, and then thank you so much. So that was my take on how to use that die. And then I just did layers. This one I just wanted to try something simple because you can layer this kind of flower. I don't know the name of this flower. So I did it here right on top of each other, the same right on top of the row. Here I kind of offset it a little bit, just to give you a different look of how you can layer this flower. But anyway, that's it. And I wanted to show you on the green background here, I used the Memento Pear Tart ink, and I used my brushes, and I created my envelope with the Stampin' Up envelope maker. I just put some washi on there because when I'm going and doing a bunch of stuff, I forget what size it is, and instead of going back and forth, I just move my washi tape. So this way I know I'm doing a 5x6 envelope. It's gonna have to cut it at 9x9, and then I'm gonna score it in 4 1/4, and then that's how I make my envelope. But I thank you. Oh, here's one to show you. Here's the bling that I use for the center parts of the flower. That was not part of my stash, but that was in there. And then this is the birthday message. There's the birthday message right there. This is from Stampendas, and it's called Birthday Wishes. Let me hope sure. I'm going to move it here a little bit slowly, just because I don't want the glare to show through. I've noticed when I watch my videos, unfortunately I only have one camera. I don't have dual, so I can't see what's going on and stuff, but that's all the messages. This is a really nice little sentiment stamp set. And then on the inside message, it's one of these red rubber ones. I don't remember, I don't know which set this is, but there is the information on it. And there's the stamp that I used. But there's the, just in case anybody wants to know, those are the other messages. And here's the other messages that this particular stamp set. Now, I do know I got this particular stamp set from Jen Evers at Quality Crafts on one of her craft sales that she has every other Saturday. Alrighty. The next sale is this Saturday the 17th. And then that's what they look like. Going ahead and took it apart. I do like to stamp everything just because I like to be able to see that I'm visual. And so I just stamped them all. And then that's what all the stamp sets there look like. I haven't made my little white thing on there, but I will. I'm in a big hurry for it. But I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.